The photography community is abuzz with excitement as the potential introduction of the Canon EOS R9 approaches. Despite the fact that the specifics are shrouded in mystery, enthusiasts are avidly speculating about the potential benefits of this camera. These are the most recent rumors and comparisons with competitors, which provide a summary of what we can anticipate. The Canon EOS R9 is expected to feature a 33-megapixel full-frame sensor, marking a significant leap from its predecessors, the EOS R7 and EOS R10. This upgrade is seen as both logical and necessary given the aging EOS R and RP models and the limited availability of RFS lenses. A full-frame sensor promises improved image quality and greater versatility for photographers across various shooting scenarios. Videographers will be particularly excited about the prospect of 4K video recording on the Canon R9. The absence of a crop at 4K 30p ensures seamless capture of high-resolution footage, while the slight crop at 4K 60p is a minor trade-off for the enhanced frame rate. Additionally, in-body image stabilization is expected, promising steady and shake-free videos even in challenging shooting conditions. Continuing the legacy of its predecessors, the Canon EOS R9 is rumored to incorporate dual-pixel f2, known for its proficiency in detecting and tracking the eyes of both humans and animals. This sophisticated focusing system ensures precision and sharpness even in burst mode, enabling photographers to capture fleeting moments with clarity and accuracy. The potential inclusion of car detection, a feature introduced in the EOS R6 Mark II, further enhances the camera's versatility in various shooting scenarios. While details regarding burst mode remain limited, it's expected that the Canon R9 will offer similar capabilities to the EOS R7 and EOS R10. With mechanical speeds of up to 15 FPS and electronic speeds of 30 FPS, coupled with a full-frame sensor and the new Digic X processor, the Canon R9 should deliver exceptional ISO performance, producing minimal noise even at high ISO settings. This promises to surpass the performance of its predecessors, setting a new standard for image quality and versatility in photography. Speculation suggests that the Canon R9 will be priced between $999 and $2,000, making it an attractive option for photographers seeking premium features without breaking the bank. The camera is also rumored to sport a high-quality electronic viewfinder with 2.4 million pixels, a minimal lag. Coupled with a 120fps LCD screen, composing shots will be a seamless experience. Additionally, a fully articulating 3-inch touchscreen will enhance versatility and shooting angles. Several cameras compete with the Canon EOS R9 in the professional high-end segment. Notable contenders include the Nikon Z5 Sony, a 7.2 and Panasonic a 5.2. Each offers its own set of features and strengths, providing photographers with a range of options to consider. The Canon R9 holds great promise as an exciting addition to Canon's lineup with its anticipated full-frame sensor, advanced autofocus system, and impressive video capabilities. It aims to elevate the photography experience for enthusiasts and professionals alike. While competition in the market is fierce, the Canon R9 rumored features position it as a compelling choice for those seeking a versatile and high-performance camera. Keep an eye out for further updates as we are its official release in 2024. So that's all about the upcoming Canon EOS R9. Do let us know what you think about this. As for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.